All right, what we got here is 4 2.5-inch turbine style clamps, 4 Avanti 8 machines. We've kind of built a little inverted application simulator here. The tools are installed inverted, and there's no more holding the tools, it's hands-free. The operator can stand at a safe distance and take care of business that way. No more backup wrenches, no more reaction arms, no more facial gulling. All that bad, nasty stuff is eliminated. We're going to 184,615 pounds force. 6,600 psi is the setting on our QAS pump. Tool installation is very, very simple, even on a nasty kind of an awkward situation like this. And it works like this. Pretty simple stuff. You just take the tool. We have an inverted driver here. We simply turn the drive retainer, click the tool on, just like that. It's hands-free now. Stand back, and well, we'll go. The actual bolt time for these 4 bolts is going to be about 75 seconds, so here we go. Okay, as you can see, they're not turning no more. We're now done. That's all there is to it. So again, total bolting time for 4 studs is about 75 seconds, and it's a very safe system, very effective as well. That's all there is to it.